Hey guys, so I'm going crazy during this quarantine thing. I mean crazy. My busybody self just can't handle it anymore. I'm trying to eat healthy, but it's so difficult when every time you walk by the freezer, this vanilla ice cream just calls your name. But I decided enough is enough. I'm not letting it win. And so I wanted to make some of these like protein balls. They taste like the cookie dough ones, you know, you always see on Instagram and you like always want to make, but you never do. But yeah, this makes it so easy. So you just want to get a bowl, then you want to pour it in and try some of the chocolate chips and steal them because you all know that's the best part and nobody's going to notice. And I decided to snack on a cucumber while I was doing this and add some water and some peanut butter and a splash of maple syrup. That's all you really need because it's already pretty sweet. Mash that up together. Mash, and also sample a little bit of it because this stuff is so good, like so good. I had it to make up for the chocolate chips I already ate, so I need to add some more. Now we're talking. Get a little nonstick sheet and then we're gonna roll them. So easy, just like golf ball sizes, and you're gonna make as many as you can. Put them in the fridge and wait. This is the hardest part. Then you're gonna wanna go in, take a bite, and enjoy the